Spinal cord stimulation has been used since 1967, since the inception of the gate control theory laid the foundation of what has been decades of continuous success for pain relief and functional improvements. We'd like to present a case of a 60-year-old male who had a spinal cord injury after a ski accident, which left his upper limb unable to move in the same manner he was before. He was walking, but he continued to experience neuropathic pain and spasticity in his upper limb, which left his range of motion and daily life impacted. Neuropathic pain, such as one he was experiencing, is an indication of spinal cord stimulation. So we decided to employ that after years of conservative measures such as Botox failed to control his symptoms. To everyone's surprise, when we activated the stimulator with low frequency stimulation, it not only relieved his pain, it allowed this man to relieve his spasticity in a manner that allowed him to perform a volitional movement with his limb, something he hadn't been able to do since before his injury. So, the first time, we'd like to present a case of spinal cord stimulation that adequately treated spasticity and functional improvement in his myotome that was previously affected by his SCI. We hope that this case report, although isolated, spurs the conversation and opens the door for further research and development to truly unlock the potential of SCS and what it may hold for patients that are experiencing symptoms beyond pain.